These chemicals don't respect political boundaries.
Was in fact linked to at least 6 diseases, including cancer and thyroid disease.
Stainless steel is at the top of almost every list. Small amounts of nickel and chromium can leach from the cookware into your food,
mainlining right into your bloodstream.
Some of the chemicals inside this non-stick pan could be hazardous to human health.
These chemicals have been linked to a massive array of health issues.
There's all sorts of toxins in Teflon. 267 reports of Teflon flu.
Once you start damaging the non-stick coating, that's going to get you sick.
We are living in alarming times, times where health and safety are sacrificed before our very eyes. The very tools we trust in our kitchens may be poisoning us, and most don't even realize it. In a world where the ordinary hides danger, millions cook every day without knowing the enemies in their hands. Traditional non-stick pans, filled with hidden chemicals, forever chemicals designed to fail, can cause irreversible damage and harm. And metals such as cast iron, carbon steel, aluminum, and others are highly prone to corrosion and oxidation, which can be dangerous in food and harmful when consumed. But today, everything changes. Emporio Smart Cookware is not just a pan. It's the rebirth of cooking. The interlayer in contact with food is crafted with 99.9% pure titanium, luxury copper in a rose gold finish on the exterior, and European premium surgical steel. These materials were chosen not out of convenience or luxury, but for their perfection, for their ability to protect your health and transform your meals into something extraordinary. The power of titanium, the only element on Earth with unique qualities and unmatched biocompatibility with the human body, ensures safety due to its non-carcinogenic nature.
Harnessing the health benefits of titanium, we created a masterpiece built to last a lifetime. But we didn't just imagine it. We are fully invested. We have already completed the years of research and development. We've perfected the prototypes, we've paid for the expensive molds, and we have successfully manufactured our first small production run of 130 sets. The product is real, it is proven, and it works. We are not here on Kickstarter asking for money to see if we can do it. We are here now because we are at the scalability stage. Your support today allows us to do 2 critical things. First, to move from our small batch to a full-scale production order, bringing Emporio to the world at a price that's only possible through your support. And second, to impel the next revolution in cooking, the Emporio Smart Lid. We aren't just stopping at the perfect pan. Your support will directly fund the development of our smart lid. Imagine a lid with a high-precision thermometer built in, with Wi-Fi connectivity to guide you through recipes in real time, and a heat-resistant display with its own charging system, all engineered to be completely safe from heat and steam. This is the future, and we are ready to build it. This is not just a promise, it's a proven product ready to scale. The risk is gone. This is the perfect union of innovation and purpose. Emporio Smart Cookware, more than a pan. A revolution, because you deserve nothing less than the best.